Hello again. Day of the Airshow today. Oh yes. So the town is blocked off to traffic today. Lovely. Have a walk around there. See what it looks like without any cars on the road. Or with the odd car here and there with a ticket on it saying not allowed. People that are getting off the trains are being funneled down the street here. Lovely. Or not, despite the sun and the blue sky, there are drops of liquid sunshine coming down on me. I'll have to put up with it today because I haven't even brought my hat with me. I hope I don't get my glasses too much. Got my new ones on. There is one van down there. He's to do with the Beerbury's store, so he's delivering. Trying filling up. Shame it's so windy. Shame it's so windy. I had a pizza from Grills last night. Rare treat. It was very nice indeed. All of a sudden, we've got a ghost town. Actually, today would have been a good day to do a load of then and nows because I could have stood in the middle of the road and got loads of shots that I can't normally line up. But that's the benefit of hindsight. Never mind, I haven't set any up on my phone. Well, I've got one on my phone. We'll do that later. Talking to then and nows though, Andy from Dawlish, who sends me all the pics. He sent me a picture of him sat on the fence in Dawlish. Fair enough, here he is. And here he is again in 1987 in the same place in Dawlish. Lovely, lovely. Yes, I thought I'd do that now because I don't know when I'm going next over to Dawlish. But thanks for those, Andy. How times change. So first, not allowed sticker. Second, not allowed sticker. And sticker number 3. There we go. Of course, you can't have any cars in the town during the Airshow due to safety reasons. They might get damaged, etc. But you can still have them in the car park, provided you're paying to use the car park. That makes them safe. And into Northumberland Place. On this blowy morning. I got my fleece zipped up due to the wind. The ghost. Obviously this road isn't closed off to traffic. Stick our head down Ivy Lane for a somewhat random then and now that I did find this morning. I thought I was coming up this way anyway. Why not do it? It's here. You can see the building on the right there, and you can make out Shoulden Bridge on the left. It's a bit of a funny angle, so I'll just superimpose it now over the walking along. There he is. And that was here. If I find a date when I get home, I'll put it on the picture when I superimpose it over the top. But yes, a very, very windy back beach. A request from Nigel, all the way in New Jersey. Hi Nigel. There we are, South View. So could I get a shot of South View for him? So I shall. Someone was telling me the other day that they used to live up the top of there with a balcony. Can't remember who it was, I'm afraid. But they said they had a nice time and now they were living in Exeter. But anyway, there's South View in all its glory. Hope that gives some nice memories to people that have requested it. South View, lovely. Remember this from last year? That's how they block off the roads with these bags of gravel. Well, I'll do for my garden. Could do with some of that. Lovely. I'll sneak one home, put it on my back, take it up with me. Especially once they dig it up and they have to mend this leak. I'll need new gravel. Fair's going. Whee! Lovely. If you're young enough to stomach it. Not to just stick my head down into the fair, wouldn't it? Well, let's go. Probably get hit by copyright music now, so I might have to, if it suddenly goes quiet, that's what it is. Sounds like a burger. Certainly with the fair here, there's stuff for people to do while they wait for the airshow to start. Remember a few years back, everyone just sitting up on the seafront doing nothing, twiddling their thumbs, because the fair wasn't there that year, I don't think. Fences are down. This is the bit they've repavemented, re-tarmacked by the new fence where they did the demolition. That's where they're doing all the announcements from. That's where you can hear the voices coming from up there. Lovely. You see all the tannoys, loudspeakers erected all along the seafront. And lots of people. Lovely.
In the main arena, the rock climb, Red Rock.
They got their seats set out. Lovely.
The female duo for match up 21 with upbeat sing-along classic.
Happy Airshow Day. There's that flag again. Top of the church. Smashing. But the end of Airshow spectator zone. They won't accept any liability for any person past this point. Well, so if I trip over at the other side of that sign, they're going to take liability for it? I don't think so. I don't think so. As we can see in the distance, there is a train coming along the seawall, so we'll back find our way in that direction, see what we can see. I think we've got a special coming through at some point, try and catch that as well. Lovely. Of course, there's the hill that Norman came down, and if you remember the other day I showed you a little video where I made some girls he was sat on a wall with move. A few people said, why didn't you make him move as well? Well, here's the end result. As you can see, it's a little bit strange. He decided to turn into a woman. I'll run it twice for you. Here you go. So there we are, fun and games with AI. It doesn't always get it right. It's quite amusing. All of a sudden, right behind me, quite forcefully and loudly, Bill! 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 Oh, blimey, he must want to say hello. So I turned around and looked at him, and he's shouting past me, Bill! He's talking to his dog. So he's calling his dog who's gone off down the seafront. Train! Whee! Quite a few people with cameras on the seawall. Not sure if it's for the special coming through later, or they're just here to film the air show. Could be either. Very slow train coming. Mum always says to me, do you slow these down? I said, no, I don't, never. You can tell by the people walking past. Just a very slow train. Bye bye. Take lots of people to the Airshow. Probably why it's going so slow. It's so full of people going to the Airshow. It's too heavy to go fast. Yeah, that's my professional opinion. Here we go. This one's a bit faster. Less people on it for the Airshow, obviously. Whee! And there she goes. There we go. Another 2 subscribers. Filming them as they walk away like I usually do. That's Trev and Maggie from Exminster. Watch the videos, enjoy it. They said thought they might meet me today because of the special coming through. All good. Anyway, nice to meet them. Hope to bump into them again. Lovely little chat. Oh yes. I haven't forgotten about the launch of the Seawall document. It's just with the Airshow and that, it's sort of taken my attention away a little bit today, and the special coming through. But I'll do another bit on it at a later date and launch it then. But it's coming soon. Don't worry, it's coming soon. All good. Looks like the special is running on time today. Lovely. It's at Exeter St David's at the moment, so she should be down within about 20 odd minutes. Said we had to find a happy train. Well, I heard a nice loud toot, so I turned around and started filming. One happy train, as promised. Happy train into the tunnel. Lovely. A water trickle. Lovely. Whee! There's our slippage. A little bit of blue fencing at the top there. That's new. If I get the drone out if it's a quieter day, wind-wise. The special is 2 minutes ahead of schedule at the moment. That's okay. Not going to miss it here on the wall. Nice loud toot at spray point. If you're picking it up or not, we're at the liquid sunshine. Starting to come quite enthusiastically, I think. Is the rain starting to sit on the rock? And all of a sudden the sun has come back out. Doesn't know what it wants to do today. Doesn't know what it wants to do. Another toot. But had I not had the wind blocker on, you may have heard. At spray point. Didum didum. Love that sound. Love it. Got about 5 more minutes to wait. It's at Dawlish Warren at the moment, letting another train come past. Here we go. He's on the wrong side. That must have been the one they were pathing for. Happy train! Happy Sir Nigel! Nice and slow, giving us a proper view. Lovely! Hello, Sir Nigel. Nice to see you again. Galloway Princess 47593. It's actually come to a halt. I've chosen to film it down at Spray Point now. Red signals. Signals just changing. Plenty of steam coming off. I think it's just going now. Tooted. So what a photo op that would have been had I been down at Spray Point. What a shame. Yeah, he's off now. You can hear that or not? And there she goes, disappearing around the corner. Catch her on the way back. Lovely. Little tacker, he was stopped at the signals as well. A little toot, a happy train. Quite a busy sea wall. At least we've got a bit of a beach for it. There we go, that was a sea wall. And as you can see, very busy down here at the start of the seafront for the air show. And I need to get home now to get up to my secret location and see what I can film of it. But you'll have seen that by the time you see this. So there we go. Observation deck, got a few people on it, And why not? Nearly time for the first planes to come over now. So I better get up to my location. One last look at the crowds before I definitely rush away. A Norman Wisdom pilgrimage, everyone walking down the hill towards Teignmouth. And why not? With that, I shall bring my little pre-airshow walk to an end. Hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed having it. And yeah, got to get back now to my special location to try and film some of the airshow. All good. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you again tomorrow. Same time, same place. Take care. Bye.